Aaron, Cairo, I know you've been wanting to go camping for a while, so I think it's time to go camping. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Camping in the Braille House is not exactly what I'd call camping. I'm from Montana.
I think this is a really nice spot. You know, it's right among nature and the trees, and there's a lot of wood all over the place. I think this is a good spot to set up our tent.
I always knew you were good at pitching a tent, Gabe.
Teddy, when did you get here?
Everything is so violent.
You can't spell Braille without violence.
What are we doing, Gabe, really? What are we doing with our lives?
Whoa, we're camping, man.
Are we?
Yes.
We're gonna camp?
Yeah. We're all gonna get in there, you, me, Fetty, and Carlos. We're gonna get in there, and we're gonna have a full-on skate session in the middle of the forest.
This is the same color as my casino board.
Wow. We actually are camping this time. Holy force. How are we gonna do this?
Coincidence? I think not. Look at that.
No, actually this was Fetty and Uzi's idea. How funny would it be if we pitched a tent in the Braille House and we could only skate inside the tent? And I was like, that's so stupid, it's the best idea I've ever heard.
Here, I already know what to do. Look, dude, I'm from Montana. I don't need instructions and I can build a tent.
Spread the tent out flat, floor side down, unzip the doors.
No, not what you do. Put all these together. Fetty, come on, help us out.
I'm watching.
Give me some advice.
They're like nunchucks. Like the three set of nunchucks.
All right, I've got
the door. Oh, is this it? Aha! Got it.
Are you sure that's the door?
Okay.
Good, now what?
I lost the instructions.
They're right there. Welcome to my humble abode.
C. That is supposed to be. There you go.
All right, well, while they are trying to figure out how to put this tent together, I'll give you guys a virtual tour of what we have at brailleskateboarding.com. Oh, the thing that I'm wearing, we got one of those. Got a hoodie. We got a shirt. That's an extra small one. Oh, we got these shirts. Got this stuff. This. Skateboards. Oh, wow. That one was signed by Chris McNugget. You could get that one. Bread the Shred boards. Avenue trucks. Where's Nigel when you need him?
A is the long one. Dude, why is this the hardest thing I've ever seen in my life? Where's B?
Sorry, look alive on the campsite. What in the world? It's a ramp. Get air anywhere. Backpack? Oh, we had backpacks. I don't even know what that is. And hardware. Wow. Pretty sure there's toilet paper in here. Oh my gosh. What, we have full pads? Actually, I'm gonna need these for a later video. Helmet. Skate tool. Oh yeah, I love these. Hand skates. For when camping goes too long, you can hand skate. Calendar.
I walked into that.
More pads. Hats. Grip tape, non-abrasive.
Since this is the only thing that hit me, thank you.
You're welcome. Bearings and stickers. It's like 52 card pickup. You never win. All that stuff and more is available at brailleskateboarding.com, so you can go there, check it out. Learn to skateboard. We want you, yes you, to learn how to skateboard. So have fun doing it. Now let's see where we can put together this tent.
Aaron, we're having some technical difficulties.
I knew it.
Dude, you think that they would make tents easier to build nowadays?
No, they're super hard.
It's like when you get to the forest, oh, let me spend 90% of my time freaking setting up this dumb tent.
I'm scared he's gonna actually get mad. 20 minutes? Did you guys see that video of the guy chasing the bear? A bunch of people were saying it was fake, but I don't know, it looked pretty real to me. There's the corner, there's the corner. That thing? Really? I thought that was a stick in the ground.
So we threaded it through wrong?
Tell me, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm done. He's gonna put me in the box.
You can buy a Carlos.
Carlos is available at brailleskateboarding.com.
For lessons, okay? So sign up. I will teach you.
That's true. It's actually very true. Let's just play a game of skate, call it good.
Tentacles.
We're on to something now, people.
How many skateboarders does it take to put together a tent?
Oh, I see now. Help! 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 Help!
Hi. Actually, yeah. Rent has been getting to me lately.
Okay, commend you guys. I thought it was a lot smaller than.
Bears, Daniel, bears! Telling me to breathe, I'm stressing out. Ow!
Oh, yes?
Wait, that does not look right.
There we go. Now let's take it off the braille drop.
Oh, hey.
So this is our completed tent? Now that it's set up, this is the best idea ever.
All of us.
All fit in here. Look, if we all just line up like this. Carlos, get in here!
Who farted?
Carlos and Troy, get in here! All right, so we can pop about 6 inches.
This is a great idea.
See, right? Watch the stick. This tent even comes with a hammock for Carlos. He'll fit in there perfectly, right here. All right, I'm playing this game. I'm excited about this one.
Children!
All right, Carlos, ollie in there to start.
Hey guys. We're good.
Dude, those were unforeseen circumstances.
Why do I agree with any idea you have, dude? Ever.
Ozzy! Let's go.
That's my sack.
It's good to be in here, nice and close with all of you fellas.
Oh! No!
Get up! Go!
Let's go! Petty. First and second.
I'm last. What? I'm not.
Gabe, Aaron, Fetty,
I'm a little lightheaded from the fumes. Sorry.
Rebate. Dang, it's me then? Wow. Oh, the winner of this game will receive $10.
Deal. I'm going for the kill now.
You better not. You better not. I didn't know you
Intensify.
this thing.
Sorry about my.
This could be like some serious. Stop laughing!
Yes.
And then I woke up. A standing still varial flip? Gabe. Maybe. Got him! Got him!
Power slide this tent.
Go ahead, Betty.
Oh, good. It's collapsing.
Yep.
Betty has an app.
Good thing we're not playing hardcore mode. Real. Dang, girl.
Wow. Woo! Dang, girl.
Too good.
I'm not gonna land this right now.
Chip's gonna throw my game off. I'm not gonna land it right now.
Somebody gets hurt. That's why I just finesse. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Reminds me of Gabe's favorite restaurant. Five Guys.
Rebate!
Where was the toe? He kicked the freaking thing of spider web at me.
Oh, dang.
My head touched Daniel's head. Okay.
It's mosquito protection, okay? I don't like bugs in my mouth, okay?
Dang it. Maybe I don't want to go camping anymore.
Stop!
What are you doing?
I don't trust you! Woo! Is this nollie or switch?
Nollie.
It's BBT, I just find it.
Betty. It's because he did it switch.
He did a nollie.
He should have done it nollie. Take everybody down.
Yes. One come, one all.
You're popping off your nose?
Good.
Yeah, true.
I punched the camera.
What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it.
What are you doing?
If I punched anyone, I'm sorry.
I wanted that.
This tent is solid! Carlos, what the fork was that? I vote to have Carlos executed.
Well, we're
That's a
on
bit
the-
extreme. Told ya. Move a little closer to Daniel's shins.
Like, I know we're just in the middle of the Braille house right now, but it really feels like we're in some like different room somewhere. T for Fetty. I've never been more offended.
I saw 2 choppers above my head, so yeah.
They're just being haters.
They always hated me.
Yes!
That-
My turn once again.
Double kickflip backside 90. With all the power invested in thigh.
Wow!
so sad.
All right, guys, let's go. Double flip Carlos out.
Yeah! Good! If you get out, you can't leave the tent until we're done.
This is my shame. That's so weird.
Okay, Aaron, I need some advice. I was gonna say nightmare flip or triple flip.
Well, nightmare flip. As the single best skateboard maneuver you've ever done
Thank
in your
you.
entire life.
Thank you very much.
How did you land a nightmare flip in a tent?
And it was beautiful, by the way.
I've only done this never. Definitely pulled it out. And we all appreciate you for that. No.
No,
No.
you have to stay. That's not fair.
See, I can do double tray, dude. I can't do.
If I lose my trick right now, Carlos is coming for my throat. So this is either gonna be the sickest thing I've ever done or my game is over. Aaron, don't do that. Is that double?
I did. Mentally wear them down.
Aaron means well, but he has good intentions.
Come on, Gabe.
Woo, child, things are gonna get easy. I just know it.
Triple flips I've done in my life. I should have done double heel. That would have stumped them both.
What in the world? How'd you land that? Wow!
Damn it,
That
Aaron!
like went straight up my. Yes! I have another chance! Let's go! Woo! I wanted it so bad.
My board now belongs to this tent. I can't get. Oh, dang. Do it, so.
Eddie sticks his little thumb out. Dang it! Yes! I have another chance!
Need to clear my wedgie.
I literally don't think it's possible.
Anything's possible.
My one chance on offense and I go for a nollie heel flip.
You should have said it.
Kick the front side?
The fart is going straight in your mouth.
You guys love it.
Yes. Just have to make a lot of fart jokes and he misses. That's the best dang thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Good!
Watch this board not flip. Dude, I don't know how you guys flip out. Yeah.
Hey! Fakey nightmare flip. I thought I was gonna get concussed by the back of Aaron's knee.
Straight up.
No, I was there. I think that was legit.
All of the tricks you could have done. I'm just gonna do a steezy pop shove and they're gonna give it to me.
Ah, okay. Oh, still got it. Yes.
That was
it.
straight
That
up
was it.
legit.
Is that
You
it?
pulled it back. You pulled it back.
Yes! It's getting hot in here. I'll take off all my clothes. One-handed.
I told you that was gonna happen. I told you that was gonna happen.
If I don't win, no one wins!
Oh no! Grab a corner. Betty is just like, whatever.
He's got it. Yes!
I'm gonna do a double heel.
I'll count that.
Technically, we're all at T right now. The best game I've ever played in my life.
You got this.
His nickname is Papa Squat. What is he doing? What if the world would make sense after we leave this place?
It's like that movie, Room.
Yeah.
We can only skate in
Will
a
you
tent.
just do it?
Hey!
Jeez.
I'm preparing!
Yeah, let him go. Wow.
Oh! Yes!
Let's go!
Yes! I knew the exercises would work!
TTT.
anybody's
Taco
game at
Tuesday
this point.
time.
Trials,
Taco Taylor.
tribulations.
Ta-ta Tuesday. Fart, 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 fart!
All right, same.
I get one more try.
Literally.
I should just switch
let him
Nightmare
go.
Flip. Ah! Very good game, my friends.
Well played.
Cameras.
Oh, man. We did our best.
We tried.
We couldn't do it. We couldn't do it.
Alright, watch out. Land in this triple flip.
What are you doing? He's out of here.
Dude, there's life. Oh, yes.
There's no fart. The whole world out there.
Double. Whatever.
Oh no. It's like Spider-Man. Giving birth to a game.
Aaron, I got you! Hang on, brother! Hang on, brother! Hang on!
What have they done?
No other human ever could do that because they're too tall. Check out all the other videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast watching those. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboard needs. We'll see you in the next video.